Everybody, this is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and today's video topic is one particular bump, or hiccup as we call it, that can cause your real estate deal to fall through. If you are a buyer and you finally find the perfect home for you and you put an offer and that offer gets accepted, you usually have about 3 to 7 days to get your home inspected. Understanding that that home inspection is for your purpose, to make sure that you're doing your due diligence to make sure the property is in fair condition, or should I say good condition, understanding in this case if it's not a brand new home, there's going to be some wear and tear on the home, which is expected. Now here's an issue that you need to think about. If your home inspector, which could be another video that I'll talk about in the future, but if your home inspector finds significant issues with the house and you then take that to your broker, or you use that as a tool to try and buy down your price, say, well, it needs a roof, it needs a new sidewalk, it needs updated electrical system, and you could end up losing the deal. Understand, if a house was built back in the 1950s, you're not buying a brand new house. Now, unless there's some significant issues where it is a danger and the bank is not willing to give a mortgage because of it, there's certain basic things that a house needs in order to be mortgageable, but other things are just extras. You're buying a used house and that's expected. So if you're going to go in back to the bargaining table with the seller and say to them, well, I want a $10,000 credit because the roof needs to be replaced, you got to understand the house is usually sold the way it is. When you look at it, you're putting an offer on the value that you see in that house. Now, if it needs that reduction, the seller has two choices. They could say, okay, or maybe three choices. Okay, we'll give you the $10,000 credit because the roof is in need of dire repair. Second choice, they can fix it themselves. Or third choice, they can say, no, I'm not going to repair it. I'm not going to give you the credit. And now you have a decision to make. Do you move on and lose the house that you liked? Or do you just take that $10,000, absorb it into your mortgage, and on a 30-year fixed rate, it's not going to be much of a difference in payment. The next thing you have to think about is if you start nickel and diming, as we call it, the seller, there's a chance the seller is still going to be showing that property and might find another buyer that is willing to not haggle with the price, buying it as is. And who would you sell the house to? Somebody who's nickel and diming everything, even if they truly believe that these are significant issues, and they are issues, but the seller is not obligated in any way to work with you on that. This is Mark Schreier with Century 21 American Homes, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Hello. Yes, I'm talking to you, the person that watched my video to the very end. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like me on Facebook. I am a licensed real estate agent in New York State, but I also have a referral service that deals nationwide. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house anywhere in the United States, please send me a text, contact me via phone, and I'll set you up with a local professional in your area. If you're in my vicinity, I'd be more than happy to help you out in any of your real estate transactions that you'd like. This is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and I'll talk to you soon.